Dallas, Texas, is known for its vibrant culture, bustling economy, and, of course, its sweltering summers. With temperatures often soaring above 100 degrees Fahrenheit, the cost of keeping your home cool can quickly skyrocket. Fortunately, one of the best investments you can make for your Dallas home is installing energy-efficient windows. These windows offer a multitude of benefits that can help homeowners save money, enhance comfort, and reduce their environmental footprint. Here's why energy-efficient windows are a must for Dallas homes. Lower utility bills. The intense heat of a Texas summer can make air conditioning a necessity, but it also puts a strain on your energy bills. Traditional windows, especially older models, can allow heat to seep in and cool air to escape, forcing your HVAC system to work overtime to maintain a comfortable temperature inside your home. This leads to increased energy consumption and higher utility costs. Energy-efficient windows are designed with advanced technologies, such as double or triple pane glass, low emissivity, low E coatings, and gas fills like argon or krypton, which create an insulating barrier that helps keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. By reducing the amount of heat that enters your home, these windows can reduce the workload on your air conditioning unit, resulting in significant savings on your energy bills. Enhanced comfort year-round. Dallas weather can be unpredictable, with hot summers and chilly winters. Energy-efficient windows help maintain a consistent indoor temperature, no matter the season. During summer, they block the sun's rays from penetrating your home, preventing the indoor environment from becoming overly hot. In the winter, they help retain the warmth inside, ensuring your home stays cozy without constantly running your heater. These windows also help reduce drafts, keeping cold air from sneaking in during the winter months. This means that rooms stay more comfortable, and you won't experience the discomfort of temperature fluctuations that can occur with less efficient windows. UV protection for your home's interior. Your Dallas abundant sunshine can also be tough on your home's interior. Over time, direct exposure to UV rays can cause fabrics, furniture, and flooring to fade, which can result in expensive repairs or replacements. Energy-efficient windows with UV-blocking coatings help protect your belongings by filtering out harmful ultraviolet light. This means your carpets, curtains, and furniture will maintain their color and quality for much longer. Noise reduction. Another hidden benefit of energy-efficient windows is the noise reduction they provide. If your home is located near a busy street, school, or another noisy area, you might be familiar with the disruptive sounds that can make it difficult to relax or concentrate. Double or triple glazed energy-efficient windows act as a buffer against external noise, keeping your home peaceful and quiet. This can be particularly valuable in urban areas of Dallas where traffic and outdoor noise can be constant. Increased home value. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows not only enhances your quality of life but can also increase the value of your home. Potential buyers are often drawn to homes with energy-efficient features because they understand the long-term savings on utility bills and the improved comfort. Energy-efficient windows are seen as a desirable feature that can set your property apart in a competitive real estate market. If you're thinking of selling your home in the future, investing in energy-efficient windows can yield a high return on investment. Environmental impact. As more people become aware of the importance of sustainability, energy-efficient windows are an environmentally conscious choice. By reducing your energy consumption, these windows help lower your carbon footprint, making your home more eco-friendly. In a city like Dallas, where the summer cooling season can be long, decreasing the demand for energy from the grid can have a significant positive impact on the environment. By reducing the amount of energy you use, you're not only saving money but also contributing to a cleaner, greener planet. Long-term durability. Energy-efficient windows are typically made with high-quality materials designed for durability. These windows are built to withstand harsh weather conditions, including the strong winds and intense heat that Dallas homes often face. Many energy-efficient window brands offer warranties that ensure the longevity of your investment, providing peace of mind knowing that your windows will perform effectively for years to come. Conclusion. In Dallas, where extreme temperatures are a part of daily life, energy-efficient windows are an essential feature for homeowners. They offer benefits like reduced energy bills, enhanced comfort, UV protection, and even noise reduction. Additionally, they increase your home's value and reduce your environmental impact, making them a smart, long-term investment. Whether you're looking to stay cool in the summer, warm in the winter, or simply improve the overall efficiency of your home, energy-efficient windows are a must-have for every Dallas homeowner.